just walked around the lake. Now we're going back to our car and we're here. We'll go down the hill we came up. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. Yeah. I like those acorns, don't you? Hello. Yeah. Baby. Is that it? Now the others want to come. Well, you've missed out now. Okay, thank you for doing what I wanted you to do. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good babies. Let's go. Deer Park, bottom of the hill. Here's Pete Park's playground. And next to it is it's Cullinan College now, but it used to be St. Augustine's. The Art Deco entrance shows that this was one of Whanganui's oldest playgrounds, as in 1911 Pete Park was gifted to the children of Whanganui by David Pete. He thought that schools didn't provide adequately for children to play. As we drive up further on the Aramoho side of Whanganui, we will come to the cemetery. If you hadn't already guessed, I love cemeteries, so much character in them. Anyway, drive further still, and a popular swimming spot with a swing back in the day, it's gone now. It's called Mosquito Point. Now we have to cross over the river to get to the Upokonaro side for the jet boats. The V8 Jet Sprint racing at the Shelter View track, which is 12 kilometres north of Whanganui on a farm near Upokonaro. It's noisy, it's fast, and it also has a night jet sprint race which would be spectacular to watch, I'm sure. Virginia Lake. It was named after the Virginia family who owned the land when Whanganui was first colonised. The lake is formed by a natural hollow between two sand dunes without an outlet. The Higginbottom Fountain was gifted to the city in 1971 by the philanthropist Percy Higginbottom. The fountain is sitting on a copper and steel floating lily. That's sad. Walking bloomin' birds. Are they going to talk today? Hello? Hello? Are you talking today? No? Alright, don't be. We have carols by candlelight. We sit here and sing.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon as Billy cried, I said to my
Not singing.
the horse was led and led.
No, there's anyone else.
He got to jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh.
Street, won the best street several years here in Whanganui. Castlecliff Beach. The children, grandkids come and play now. They love the flying fox. Skate park. Okay. And just a hop, step and a jump from the beach. Hey, very good, dear. The closest beach to town is Castlecliff Beach. Then, just a 15-minute drive out further toward Taranaki is Kaiiwi Beach in the settlement of Whanganui. Where are we going? Who's driving? It's our Lacey. Is she doing well? Beautiful day, Maxwell Beach. And still further out, near a town called Maxwell, is Ototoka Beach, where a lovely tree to photograph is, and it also has a waterfall there.
Funny things.
Just past the lakes is Kaitoke Prison, and behind the prison is a mountain bike park. But we as a family would ride our motorbikes there too in the early days.